Subscribe Dr. Sadik Mathematics channel for getting more online videos.
D square plus 4 of y that is equal to sin 3x plus cos 2x. D square plus 5d minus 6 of y that is equal to sin 4x sin x. How to solve such type of differential equation? Today we discuss problems on sin ax or cos ax. Let us see the problems, friends. Solve the differential equation d square plus 5d minus 6 of y that is equal to sin 4x into sin x. Once again, friends, solve the differential equation d square plus 5d minus 6 of y that is equal to sin 4x into sin x. Now, this belongs to which case, friends? This is not belongs to among 6 cases, friends. So, here observe sin 4x and sin x, friends, so that we convert this function into case 2, friends, that means trigonometric function, friends. Let us see how to convert into case 2. Solution. Given d square plus 5d minus 6 of y that is equal to sin 4x into sin x, sin 4x into sin x. Now, we have one formula, friends, here. What is the formula? 2 sin a sin b, 2 sin a sin b, that is equal to, what is formula, friends? What is formula? Cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. 2 sin a sin b, that is equal to cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. Now, what is missing term here? Missing term is 2, friends. So, it can be written as that is equal to multiply 2 by 2, friends. So, 1 by 2 into 2 sin 4x into sin x, sin 4x into sin x. Now, this is a and this is b, friends, b. So, that is equal to 1 by 2 into cos a minus b. So, you write cos a minus b, 4x minus x, we get 3x minus cos a plus b, 4x plus x, we get 5x, Okay, now this is case 2, friends. We have formula here, procedure here. So, what is complete solution of this problem, friends? What is complete solution? Write down. So, complete solution, that is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. What, friends? Complementary function plus particular integral. You always highlight this one, friends. Okay. Complementary function plus particular. Now, put subheading here, complementary function. What, friends? Complementary function. The given problem is already in symbolic form, friends. So, you first write here auxiliary equation. What, friends? Auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation means y coefficient that is equal to 0. So d square plus 5d minus 6 that is equal to 0. Now here 1 into minus 6 is minus 6. We have 5 here, friends. So I can write here 6 minus 1 that is equal to 5. 6 minus 1 that is equal to 5. 6 into minus 1 are minus 6. So it can be written as here, it can be written as d square, come on tell me here, plus 6d minus 1 into d minus 6 that is equal to 0. Now from these two terms we can take in common d. So we get here d plus 6. From these two terms we can take in common minus 1. So we get here d plus 6 that is equal to 0. Now entire this term expression we can take in common d plus 6. So we get here d plus 6 into d minus 1 that is equal to 0. D plus 6 into d minus 1 that is equal to 0. So what are the roots, friends? Here d plus 6 is equal to 0. We get d is equal to minus 6. Here d is equal to 1. So d is equal to minus 6 comma 1. So what is complementary function here? What is complementary function? C1 e power 1x plus C2 e power minus 6x. C2 e power minus 6x. You highlight, friends, this complementary function also. Now put subheading here, particular integral. So here we have here d square plus 5d minus 6, friends. So 1 by d square plus 5d minus 6 into what we have here, 1 by 2 cos 3x minus cos 5x. Okay, 1 by 2 cos 3x minus cos 5x, cos 3x minus cos 5x, right. Now here that is equal to here common factor is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into multiply with 1 by d square plus 5d minus 6, friends. Here we get here 1 by d square plus 5d minus 6 into cos 3x minus 1 by d square plus 5d minus 6 into cos 5x. Okay, now this particular integral that is equal to, we have two terms here, friends. So I want to write here particular integral 1 plus particular integral 2. Particular integral 1 plus particular integral 2. Now particular integral 1, friends. What is particular integral 1? 1 by 2 1 by d square plus 5d minus 6 into cos 3x, that is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by replace d square by minus 3 square. So we get here minus 9 plus 5d minus 6 into cos 3x. Now minus 9 minus 6 is minus 15. So that is equal to 1 by 2 1 by 2, 1 by 5d minus 15, 1 by 5d minus 15 into cos 3x, cos 3x. Here we can take in common 5 friends, so we get here that is equal to 1 by 5 into 2, 10, 1 by d minus 3, d minus 3. Now, what is rationalizing factor here friends? D plus 3, very good. D plus 3 divided by d plus 3 into cos 3x, cos 3x. So, that is equal to 1 by 10 into d plus 3 divided by, it is like a minus b into a plus b. So, a square minus b square. So, we get here d square minus 9 into cos 3x. That is equal to 1 by 10 into 1 by 10 into 1 by, replace d square by minus 3 square. So, we get here minus 3 minus 9, minus 9 into minus 9 minus 18, 18 into multiply with the difference d cos 3x plus 3 cos 3x, 3 cos 3x, that is equal to minus 1 by 10 into 18 is we get 180, 180. Now, d of cos 3x means, d of cos 3x means dou by dou x of cos 3x, dou by dou x of cos 3x. So, that is equal to derivative of cos 3x, we get a minus sin 3x into 3 friends, into 3. So, here it can be written as minus 3 sin 3x plus 3 cos 3x, 3 cos 3x. So, that is equal, taking common 3 minus 3, then we get a minus and minus plus 1 by 3 in 118, we get 60, 60 friends. So, we get a 60 into sin 3x minus cos 3x, sin 3x minus cos 3x. So, this is particular integral 1 friends, particular integral 1. Okay. Now, see friends, particular integral 2. It is particular integral 2 minus 1 by 2 into d 1 by d square plus 5d minus 6 into cos 5x minus 1 by 2 particular integral 2 minus 1 by 2 1 by d square minus 5d plus 5d, I think, let us see, plus 5d minus 6 plus 5d minus 6 into cos 5x, cos 5x. So, that is equal to minus 1 by 2 into, replace d square by minus 5 square, minus 5 square plus 5d minus 6 into cos 5x. So, that is equal to minus 1 by 2 into 1 by plus 5d plus minus 5 square means minus 25, minus 25 minus 6 minus 31. Here also I have d friends, but we want here d square, so that rationalizing the denominator. So, what is the rationalizing factor here? 5d plus 31 divided by 5d plus 31 into cos 5x, that is equal to minus 1 by 2 into 5d plus 31 by, it is like a minus b into a plus b, friends. So 5d whole square, that means we get here 25d square, 25d square minus 31 into 31, friends. 31 into 31, 1 into 31 is 31, 3 3s, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So we get here 961, friends. 961 into cos 5x, that is equal to minus 1 by 2. See, friends, here d square minus d square means minus 5 square, that means 25, 625, friends. Both are minus, so I add them, we get here 6, 8, 15. Already we have 2, friends, here 2, multiply with 2, friends. So we get here 6 2s are 12, 16, 17, 2 5s are 10, 11, 2 1s are 2, 3. Minus in minus plus, friends, this is plus. So we get here 3172, 3172 into 5 d. D means previously learned here, d means here derivative with respect to x. So we get here derivative of cos 5x is minus sin 5x into 5. So we get here minus 25, minus we get here minus 25 sin 5x plus 31 cos 5x, 31 cos 5x. So this is particular integral 2, So what is complete solution, friends? Complete solution, y that is equal to what is complementary function? c1 e power x plus c2 e power minus 6x. c1 e power x plus c2 e power minus 6x. Okay, and particular integral 1 is 1 by 60 into sin 3x minus cos 3x plus 1 by 60 into sin 3x minus cos 3x plus particular 2, 1 by 3172 minus 25 sin 5x plus 31 cos 5x. This is a required solution of given problem, friends. Required solution of given problem. Once again, friends, this is very important problem, friends. Because it is previous year question, it comes 16, 15 and 11, very important. So here, what is our observation mainly here? Sin 4x and sin x, friends. We don't have any formula here or any case. So I want to convert into trigonometry function, case 2, friends. So we are applying the formula 2 sin a sin b. What is formula? Cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. So we get here cos 3x minus cos 5x. Okay, you always write the formula first, friends. So complete solution, that is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. First you find complementary function. We get the roots here minus 6 comma 1. So we get a complementary function distance. And then particular integral, you write particular integral here. We have two terms here, friends. So you write here particular integral 1 plus particular integral 2. So first you find particular integral. Here we get d 5d. When we can apply replace trigonometric function whenever it is d square, friends. So you rationalize the denominator, we get d square here, then you replace d square by minus 3 square, finally we get this constant, and multiply d plus 3, friends. Here we get this one finally, and then particular integral similar way, friends. We get particular integral 2. Okay, you practice this problem twice and thrice, and friends, when until you get perfect. Okay, hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.